Baltimore Waterfront Marriott. So you got your ice bucket and 2 glasses. Close the door, it's gonna make some noise. And you got your coffee pot. And the coffees. Got 3 of them, a decaf in there. So down underneath you got your fridge. Not a bad size. And just moving down the hallway here. You got your closet, ironing board, lots of hangers. And it comes with a light built in there, so it's really nice. And of course you got your full length mirror. Sliding barn door on the bathroom. And not a bad bathroom. LED backlit mirror. Decent shower. So you got your shower head. And you got a handheld nozzle. Pretty cool. And then you got your shampoo, conditioners, and your shower gel. And it is a full bathtub. Now we'll go into the main part. So you got a place for your suitcase, 2 drawers, nice sized desk, decent sized flat screen. And on the end over here, you got your 2 standard 110 plugs plus 2 USBs. And this is a standard 2 queen room. So you got 1 bed there and the second bed. One thing's pretty cool is they got these reading lights built into the headboard on both beds over there too. Wallpaper's kind of interesting. It's got all the history of Baltimore on here from like the 1800s. It's kind of cool. And pull out, it shows like the whole harbor. And same thing all the way up around there. So you can see Baltimore, July 3rd of 1858. I'm not going to scroll down because that story goes all the way down to the floor and then all the way up to the top. So, and you got your mirror there for another, well, I guess 3/4 length mirror. Pardon my snack drawer here. It's my USB cables. So you got a reading light there. 2 power outlets plus 2 more USB chargers, so that makes it 4 USB spots to charge phones in here. Really cool. And there's sliding drawer, more of my snacks. I was here for almost a week, so that's why there's snacks. And then you got your lock inside in the nightstand in between the 2 beds, so that's kind of a different spot. And over in the corner you got another full-length mirror. Or, it's not a mirror, what is that? That's a light. And right downtown, so you got your view of, turn this light off, maybe better. So you got a condo unit right there. Sorry for the lack of the view down in here, so just bypass that, look at the city skyline. Really close to the harbor, the inner harbor. Walking distance to the aquarium. Lots of restaurants, bars. A lot of nice little walking paths around in here. So you can see another angle at the city skyline here. and the sun just went down like 5 minutes ago. So pretty cool. Over there is the, I'm not sure the name of it, that's the stadium where the Baltimore Ravens play. And just to the north, in between that hotel, sorry, get a little shaky here. Right in, oh, there's my finger. Right over in that area is Camden Yards where the Baltimore Orioles play. It is walking distance to the Camden Yards. It's probably 1.5 miles, so it'll probably take you a good 30 minutes of walking. And here's the overall room again. Any questions? Feel free to leave a comment. Click like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell so you get noticed. I don't post a lot of videos, but this is kind of the content I like to do. I don't do a lot of editing. I just try and do everything with one take, so it's something different. All right, thank you. Leave some comments.